Now we have an unboxing guitar Tuesday. Don't think there's going to be a Wednesday or a Thursday or a Friday. Oy. Oh man. It's just like who packs stuff like that? Amazon, apparently. Really? It was really a waste of this size of box, which I have to then cut up and dispose of through the recycling program. Oi, 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 oi. All right. This is not a guitar I ever thought I was going to buy either. But like I've said some time back, I'm getting desperate. So I thought this could be a good project. This could be a good project. We have the wrenches and 2 free picks. Apparently an instruction booklet. They never seem to have any protection down at the end where the strap button is in these boxes. Unless that was supposed to be it. I guess that was supposed to be it at some point, and no glue to hold it in place. Waste of a box. Really, really, really waste of a box. Alright. I hope some of this is decent. My buddy Leo Ryan from Texas said, oh, they really liked it. Oh my God. Right away I can feel the fretboard is a shredding machine. And I don't mean because it's fast, I mean because it's going to shred the skin off your hands. Alright. I had a choice of some colors. And I thought the black would be nice. Oh my God, that is terrible. Oh, 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 oh. Just awful. The nut's way too high. Alright, first thing I want to see is what's going on with the tuners. Ah, not bad. Better than the Harley Benton. Better than the Harley Benton. Although this one is loose. That screw has not been tightened up. They're probably all going to need, no, just that one's kind of loose. And yeah, so the gears are good. The fret ends are horrible. Every single one. Oh, and my God, up here they're even worse. Ooh, 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 ooh. Bad, 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 bad. Glossy fretboard. Glossy neck. The body, let's take a look at it in the light from the window. The back seems okay. The edge seems okay. This is some smearing, needs a little cleaning. And the front looks okay. 3-ply flat white pickguard. So this is a the LyxPro. I've actually seen yesterday or this morning basically the same guitar with the Glary name on it, with the non-string through, with the 3-barrel saddles, non-compensated. It's virtually the same, except for the fact that the Glary had an unfinished neck. This one has a finished neck, glossy finished neck. So we will try to take care of that. Now I have a plan for this. So I intend to change the electrics. The pots may stay. The switch is definitely always going to go. Yeah, the action is way high like it comes on all of them. The nut, oh shit, cut me. The nut is really high, has to be replaced. That's a plastic nut. I'll put a bone in that, or a brass, or a stainless steel, or something better. And I might change the pick guard. The pickups probably are not going to stay in this thing. I'm going to test them and see what I hear. But definitely this bridge is going to have to become a 6 saddle. No doubt about that. I will not accept that. I want intonation on all strings available. I like the large cavity they route out in the headstock for the Allen key. Makes it a lot easier to get that thing in there and get it straight on into the head of that Allen screw that's in there. Okay, so out of the box it's looking aesthetically fairly good. So a little bit of a project, and there will be some next sequences concerning this LyxPro.